Hi all, good evening. Myself is Kirishka. I welcome you all to HashLearn Studios. So in the last class we were doing the problems on probability, and you know that at the end I had given you a class practice pack of 10 questions. So before we go into that, so don't forget to subscribe to HashLearn. And in the last class we covered probability problems on random variables and probability distribution, and there was one problem as class practice pack, which problem was very important, and the problem was something related to shooting a balloon. So A, B, C are aiming to shoot a balloon. A will succeed 4 times out of 5 attempts, B 3 out of 4 attempts, and C 2 out of 3. So if the 3 aim the balloon simultaneously, then the probability that at least 2 of them will hit balloon. At least 2 means 2 or more than 2. So you cannot have 4 or 5 here because 3 are shooting. So 2 or more than 2 is only one case, that is 3 of them going to shoot. तो आपको यहाँ पे क्या करना है, अगर A and B are shooting and C is not shooting, a case you need to take into consideration. A is shooting, B is shooting, C not shooting. A is shooting, C is shooting, B not shooting. B, C is shooting and A is not shooting. And all the 3 of them is shooting the balloon. So 4 out of 5 times will give you 4 by 5. 3 out of 4 will give you 3 by 4. 2 out of 3 will give you 2 out of 3. And the opposite case you need to do it by taking 1 minus 4 by 5 is 1 by 5, 1 minus 3 by 4 is 1 by 4, 1 minus 2 by 3 is 1 by 3. Once you do it, just take, if it is C dash, 1 minus opposite of C. If it is B dash, 1 minus opposite of B. A dash is 1 minus opposite of A. When you do it, you will get these terms, simplify, and you will be able to get the final result as 5 by 6. So it is very clear. 2 shoots and 1 fails. You will have 3 cases: when A fails, when B fails, when C fails. And the last one is all the 3 are going to shoot. Okay, fine then. So with this we shall start the problems on the concepts of today's class are Bernoulli trials and binomial distribution. So in this, bi means 2. You will have only 2 cases in a problem. One is success and the other one is opposite of success. If the success is P, opposite of success will be Q, which is nothing but 1 minus P. If P is your success and opposite of success will be Q, that will be 1 minus P. So these are called as binomial trials, okay, which is given by formula NCR P to the power R Q to the power N minus R. N is number of trials, R is required trial, P is success, and Q is equal to 1 minus P is the opposite of that. NCR, that is a combination. N is the number of trials in total, required trials and success. Q is 1 minus P. So whenever they ask you to find at 2 trials when the coin is tossed 5 times, आपको लेना है 5 times, बोले तो n को 5 लेना है, r को 2 लेना है. So in that way you need to simplify the things, and let us go with this basics. We shall start doing the problems, and before that आपको लेना है mean का एक formula note करना है. Mean is n into p and variance is n into p into q, where P and Q are the success and the opposite of success. N is the number of trial. Mean is given by N into P. Variance is given as N NPQ. NPQ. Okay, guys. Hope you are following this. Let us go to the problems for the day. If the difference between mean and variance of a binomial distribution is for 5 trials is 5 by 9, then the distribution is, distribution बोले तो आपको लिखना है p plus q power n, p plus q power n. Find p, find q, and n is given as 5, and mean का formula I have given you just a few seconds back. N into p is mean and npq is variance. Your time is up, and let's see. आपको पता है mean and variance is given as mean is n into p, variance is n into p into q, which is given as 5 by 9. Difference दिया है, n का वैल्यू दिया है 5, 5 times p minus 5 times p into q is equal to 5 by 9. हम इसको कैंसिल कर देंगे 5 5 5 को, तो p हो गया p minus p into q is equal to 1 by 9. तो आपको पता है p minus p, q is 1 minus p, your p q is 1 minus p, तो इसको कर देंगे p minus p plus p square is equal to 1 by 9 बोले तो p square is 1 by 9, p is 1 by 3, and q will be 1 minus 1 by 3, that is 2 divided by 3. So आपको select करना है 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. So what is p? Your p is 1 by 3 and q is 2 by 3. So which option you need to select? You need to select the distribution as p plus q whole to the power n. P 1 by 3, q 2 by 3 power 5. 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 power 5. So 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 power 5 is reflecting in the option C, and that is the one you need to mark. You should not get confused. आपको P पहला लिखना है और बाद में Q लिखना है. So if you do vice versa, that becomes wrong. You know that if you interchange 2 by 3, 1 by 3, that is also same. Okay? So you should not mark option as B. Is it clear, guys? Hope you are following the problems. Chalo, let us go to the next one. And next one is here. Numerical 2. They are asking you again the distribution. So you need to find the distribution, which is P and Q, P plus Q. Your time is up, and let's see. ये है आपका mean, n into p is 4. ये है आपका variance, n into p into q is 4 by 3. Substitute one in the other, तो 4 into q is 4 by 3 बोले तो q हो गया 1 by 3. तो p का वैल्यू हो गया 1 minus 1 by 3, p का वैल्यू हो गया 2 by 3. तो p plus q power 5. Sorry, that is not 5. I will erase this one quickly so that you will be able to find n. डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन को फाइंड करना है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन को फाइंड करना है तो इसको पावर n लेना है. तो p का वैल्यू हो गया 2 by 3, So P is 2 by 3. This is N into P. Cancel it. How to find N? Once you have got this as P as 2 by 3. Agar P 2 by 3, N into P into that will give you 4. N is N. P is 2 by 3 is equal to 4. You can cancel. 3 ones are, 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 3 twos are, 6 you will get. So 6 power 6 यहाँ पे है, and this should be your answer. Power 6. Power 6 is the answer. Power 6 you have in option D with positive sign in the middle. 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 power 6. So you need not worry about the order P plus Q. You know, you have all other options in a different way. Only option D matches the choice. Okay guys, hope you are following the problems. Chalo, let's go to the next one. Next, numerical 3, the difference between mean and variance of a binomial distribution is 2, and the mean of that x is a random variable is 6. The number of trial, आपको find करना है number of trials, यानी n को find करना है. Difference between mean and variance is given as 2. Left with 5 more seconds. Your time is up, and let us see how to do the problem. If the difference between mean, that is n into p, n into p minus n into p into q, ये है आपका mean, ये है आपका variance, difference है 2, and n into p is mean, which is given as 6. That is given as 6. So n into p is given as 6 minus 6q is equal to 2. इसको इस तरफ शिफ्ट किए तो 4 is equal to 6q. तो q का वैल्यू हो गया 2 by 3. अंडरलाइन करो. What will be p? P is 1 minus q. 1 minus 2 by 3 हो गया 1 by 3. ये है p. n is 1 by that is p is 1 by 3 is equal to 6. n will be equal to 6 3s are 18. So number of trial हो गया 18. 18 is present in your option as D, and that is the one you need to mark. Okay, chalo, let's go to the next numerical. Next numerical is number 4, and here is the problem. You need to find the standard deviation. Standard deviation is SD, which is root of variance. Yeah, 10 more seconds. Yeah. So standard deviation is given as 2. This is 2 is equal to root of variance, and variance will be equal to 4, which is nothing but n into p into q is given as n into p into q is given as 4. सो आपको फाइंड करना है mean. So what is the mean for this? If the standard deviation of a binomial distribution p plus q whole power 16 is 2, then what is the mean? So आपको फाइंड करना है यहां पे mean. So mean is nothing but n into p. So mean is nothing but n into p. So you should make a note. What all you know that you all know that npq is equal to 4 and n is given as 16 here. So n is given as 16. ये है आपका n. इसको हम यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देंगे तो क्या हो गया? सो इसको हम यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दे तो एन पी क्यू इज इक्वल टू 4. इसको हम यहाँ पे 16 सब्स्टिट्यूट किए तो ये हो गया 1 माइनस पी इज इक्वल टू 4. पी इंटू 1 माइनस पी will give you 4 by, that should give you 1 by 4 because 4 by 16 is 1 out of 4. Okay, so now you find what is p. इसको हम मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे यहाँ पे. p minus p square is equal to 1 by 4. so 4p minus 4p square is equal to 1. इसको हम यहाँ पे शिफ्ट कर दिए तो हमारा वैल्यू हो गया p square 4 times minus 4p plus 1 is equal to 0. So that will give you 4 ones are 4, 2 twos are 4, 4p square minus 2p minus 2p plus 1 is equal to 0. 2p, this is 2p minus 1, this is 2p minus 1, that will give you minus 2 here, that is 2p minus 1 here. So p value is 1 by 2. Once you get p value as 1 by 2, so mean is n into p. So I'll just take the next slide. Mean is n into p. We got n as 16 and p as 1 by 2. So 16 by 2 is 8, which is reflecting here. So please be careful. Standard deviation is nothing but variance. This will give you the first part of the question, variance as 4, n p q as 4. बाद में लेना है n को 16 क्योंकि पावर में 16 है, that is the number of trials. उसको यूज करके p का वैल्यू निकालो. निकालने के बाद मीन हो गया n into p. n into p. Is it clear guys? Hope you are following the problems. चलो, your next question is the previous class contest question. Previous class contest question. You know, this question I had given you few minutes back in my previous session. The same problem we had done as an example. We got the variance for this problem as 1. If you remember, we got the problem 5 minus 4, that was 1. And hope all followed. Peru is the winner. Peru was quick enough to respond correctly. Peru, you are the winner and you have won an autumn session where you can clarify all your doubts. Okay, chalo, let us go to the next question. Will be your contest question for this session, and here is the problem. With 60 seconds आपको find करना है variance. Left with 5 more seconds, guys. Your time is up. winner will be announced only in the next class. So come to the next one. The probability that the student is not a swimmer is 1 by 4. The probability that out of 5 students, at least 4 are swimmers. Out of 5 students, at least 4 means 4 or more. At least बोले तो 4 or more. More बोले तो there are maximum 5 students. आपको लेना है x r as 4, r as 5. I'm giving you the hint to solve the problem. Try to give the right choice. Your time is up and let us see. Out of 5 such students बोले तो n को लेना है 5. Probability that student is not a swimmer. Not a swimmer 1 by 4 है. Probability that it is a swimmer will be 3 by 4. Opposite को लेना है 1 by 4 and जो success है ना उसको लेना है P, which is nothing but 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. Hope you are following this one. Not a swimmer is 1 by 4. Q is 1 by 4 and swimmer is 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. तो हमें लेना है फॉर्मूला NCR P to the power R Q to the power N minus R. तो पहले हमको लेना है R is equal to 4 plus R is equal to 5. क्यों बोले तो at least 4 बोले तो 4 या more than 4. तो R को 4 लिए तो हमारा आंसर हो गया 5C4 3 by 4 whole power 4 1 by 4 whole power 5 minus 4 5C5 3 by 4 whole power 5 1 by 4 whole power 5 minus 5. So what does that will give you? This will give you 5C4 is nothing but 5C1, which is nothing but 5 into 3 power 4 by 4 power 5 you will get, because यहाँ पे 5 minus 1. Okay, 5C5 is nothing but 1. यहाँ पे 3 power 5 होगा, यहाँ पे नीचे 4 power 5 होगा. So if you do the simplification for this, what will be the final result you will be able to get? 16, that will give you, when I take numerator, यहाँ पे 3 power 4 को बाहर निकालेंगे, यहाँ पे 4 power 5 को नीचे से बाहर निकालेंगे. 3 power 4, 4 power 5, if I take in the numerator, that will give you 5 plus 1, 5 plus 3, 5 plus 3 will be equal to 8. So your answer is 3 power 4. So let me rewrite here. 3 power 4, 4 to power 5 into 8. तो इसको हम यहाँ पे सिंप्लीफाई कर दिए तो 3 power 4, 4 power 4, यहाँ पे 8 को कैंसिल कर देंगे 4 से, 4 1 जार 4 2 जार 8. So if I cancel it again, 9 1s are 9, 9 9s are 81, 4 into 4 into 4 into 2, 4 4 16, 4 16 into 6, that will give you 128, and this should be your answer. Your 81 by 128 is the final result after simplification. I will rewrite it again. 81 by 128, after simplifying you will get the answer, which is option C. So remember only this part of the step. That is the basic step which you need to write. The remaining part is just as calculation of the things. If you are able to write the formulae correct and the substitutions correct, you will be able to get the right choice. Okay guys, hope you are following the problem. Let us go to the next one, and next question is here. A die is rolled 3 times. If getting a 1 is considered as a success, probability that you have 2 success, n will be 3, p will be 1 out of 6. Q will be opposite. I am giving you a hint to solve the problem very quickly, so please try and give the right choice. 3 times if you are rolling, n will be 3. Getting 1 is success. 1 will come only 1 out of 6 cases. Opposite of that will be Q, 1 minus 1 by 6, 5 by 6. Probability R, 2 success. R को लेना है 2. You need to take R value as 2. तो हमें यहाँ पे लेना है N को 3, P को 1 out of 2 cases, sorry 6 cases, Q को 1 minus 1 by 6 is 5 by 6 and R को 2 लेना है. So NCR, P power R, Q power N minus R. 3C2, P is success, 1 by 6 power 2, 5 by 6 power 3 minus 2. 3C2 is 3C1 which is 3, 1 by 6 square, 5 which is option A. 36 into 2 is 72, cancelling will give you find the numerator. Is it clear guys? Hope you are following the problem. Good. Chalo, let us go to the next numerical and here is the problem. Very important question. 1 in 9 ships is likely to be wrecked, means to broke into pieces and sink in the sea. What when they are set on sail, when 6 ships set on sail, the probability that 3 will arrive safely. तो यहाँ पे आपको कंफ्यूजन है किसको n लेना है, किसको p लेना है, किसको q लेना है और किसको r लेना है. If you understand, you will be able to get the correct answer. So 1 in 9 ships getting wrecked. Getting wrecked बोले तो वो they are going to break into pieces. तो ये है नेगेटिव स्टेटमेंट. तो नेगेटिव स्टेटमेंट को हम q लेना है which is the opposite 1 out of 9. तो who all will succeed? This is your succeed in coming up without any wreckage. तो A है succeed, 1 minus 1 by 9 will give you 8 by 9. So this is the important point or the essence of the problem. You need to take which one as P, which one as Q. So read the question properly, understand it. Negative statement which is the opposite of success को Q ले लीजिए, सक्सेस को P ले लीजिए. तो 1 out of 6 getting wreckage is Q 1 by 9. Success is nothing but they are coming safe 8 by 9. तो 6 शिप को हम छोड़ रहे हैं. N is 6. We are leaving 6 ships to sail. उसमें exactly 3 सेफली अराइव हो रहा है. सो R को लेना है 3. चलो हो गया. NCR P power R, Q power N minus R. 6 शिप्स में 3 सेफ आ रहा है. सेफ कितना आ रहा है? 8 by 9 से पावर 3, 1 by 9 से पावर 6 minus 3 लेना है. चलो इसको हम सिंप्लीफाई कर देंगे. व्हाट इज 63? फाइन. 8 पावर यहाँ पे 3, यहाँ पे 3, यहाँ पे 3 और यहाँ पे 3. तो हो गया 6C3 8 क्यूब by 9 power 6. 8 क्यूब by 9 power 6, sorry, which is not D, that is C. C में 9 power 6 है, आपको लिखना है ऑप्शन है C and not D. Okay, hope you followed the problem. Is it clear guys? So your job is to identify N, P, Q, R. Once you find that, read the question clearly, properly, understand, identify N, P, Q, R, then your job is done. Remaining part is very simple to simplify using the formula NCR, P power R, Q power N minus R. Hope you all followed the problems. Okay? Fine. That was the summary of the class. We did the problems on binomial trials and binomial distribution, and this will be the end of the chapter probability. So dear students, there is an important announcement from 2nd December. We are floating an exclusive program for JEE main aspirants of Jan 2020. So it is a well structured compact program of 36 hours with some top level handpicked questions from previous year papers. As a participant, you need to register for the program by uploading your JEE application form. So आपको क्या करना है, JEE application form को upload करना है. If you are uploading it, your registration will be successful and there will be a link which will be sent to you with the full description of the program. So don't miss out this fabulous program. See you all in my classes during this Elite program, which is going to start on 2nd of December. Okay, so please do register to this, and thanks for joining us, students. I have given you 10 important questions as class practice pack. For all passport members, CPP is unlocked and is available to solve immediately. Non-passport holders, you will not have access to this. To get access, you need to subscribe for the passport. That also will give you access to CPPs and also access to 24/7 1-to-1 doubt solving session, and also access to practice questions and tests from best-selling books, and also access to all the video classes covering the toughest concepts and problems. So please do subscribe for the HashLearn. Thanks for joining us again, and good night.